So today we are having a workshop. This is workshop number C3 in the series. It's called Just Granite. And we are going to start right now and we're going to have a lot of fun. So are you all ready for fun? It's a roller coaster fun we're going to have. Okay. So now we're going to start making a tangram set. Now, those of you और जिन लोगों ने अभी तक टैनग्राम नहीं बना के रखा तैयार, तो हम एक वीडियो दिखाएंगे जिसमें कैसे ये टैनग्राम बनाना है वो बताएंगे. So how many shapes do we have? Can any of you show me with your finger on the camera, towards the camera? Do we have 5 shapes altogether? How many pieces do we have of the tangram? 7, 6, 7. Wonderful. So we have 7 shapes. Remember, we have 2 blue triangles. We have 2 red triangles. We have 1 green square. We have 1 yellow triangle. And we have a purple parallelogram. For those of you who have not heard the word parallelogram, it is also a shape where you have the opposite sides are parallel and equal. Like I showed it to you here.
Can I ask you something?
Sure,
sorry to interrupt.
Sure,
I just want to know, actually I have read the email, so I just want to know what we are going to do today with these shapes and all.
Exactly,
a short synopsis about the activity, what we are going to do.
Yeah. So thank you so much, ma'am. That's a thoughtful question. So ma'am is asking, we've just made these shapes. What is this all about? What are we going to do? So we are going to talk to you about how there is a lot of logic, creativity, and strategizing using these shapes, how we are going to actually make a lot of puzzles. Does that answer your question, ma'am?
Yeah, sure.
So, ma'am, be ready. You'll have to really be fast because we have a lot of these young children who are actually going to beat us in the puzzle. Children, are you ready?
It's going to be applicable for all age groups.
All age groups, ma'am. This is something I play with even teachers who are 58 years old in my teacher training program. And you would be surprised. I also conduct, where it is teachers and children or parents and children. You'll be surprised that 6-year-old children can actually be faster than their parents. So ready, set, go. We have to, kind of make sure that we are way ahead. So are we all ready? It's always nice to bring in a team spirit, and it's always nice to bring a competitive spirit. Great, wonderful. I can see the children are all raring to go. So I'm going to take you through the next slide where I'm going to show you an outline. Now, that particular outline could be the shape of a vehicle. It could be the shape of a transport item. It could be the shape of an animal. It could be anything. With the pieces that you have just made, these tangram pieces, you cannot take something else, but with these tangram pieces, I want you to create that shape on your table. I'm going to give you an outline and you have to create that particular screen will be there for you to see. So you will know what shape it is. Using these pieces, which you have it as separate ones, right? A triangle, all these separate ones. Using those pieces, you have to create the shape on your table. And if you can turn your screen and show it to us that you're done, or in the chat box, you write done and then show it to us, turning your screen, or take a picture with a mobile and just show it on the screen this way. Anything that works for you, just for us to know that you have completed it. Remember, the first one would be a trial one. Are we all ready? It's always nice to have a trial version, right? Rather than get into the competition immediately. Ready? I'm going to show you what the first outline. Remember, it is an outline that you're going to be seeing. This is the outline. Can you all see what this outline is? It looks a little bit like a fish. Very good. I can already see Anaga arrange the shapes. Anaga, just have a look at the fish here on the screen and try and see if you can make a fish with the shapes that have been given. Ready, steady, go. Of course, it's a trial round. So take your time. It's not a competition now. The screen will remain for you. Don't worry. I want you to practice it. See whether you have to use the parallelogram. See whether you have to use the triangles. Do we need the yellow triangle too? I think we might need all the pieces.
Also, Bhuvna, would you be able to give the instructions in Hindi again?
Sure, definitely Tejas. Thank you so much. जिन लोगों को हमने ये शेप्स बनाया है, तो अभी हम उसके साथ हम एक पजल खेलेंगे. तो छोटे हो या बड़े हो, ये तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग और क्रिएटिव पजल है. तो आप आपके साथ जो टैंग्राम पीसेस हमने बनाया, उसको रख के आपके टेबल पे ऐसे अरेंज कीजिएगा ताकि एक ऐसे वाले फिश जो अभी आपको स्लाइड पे दिखाई दे रहा है, ऐसे वाले फिश आपको बनाना है. आप आपके टेबल पे रखे और अगर आपने ये कंप्लीट कर दिया, मान लीजिएगा आपने ये बना दिया ऐसा वाला फिश, तो आप उसको आपका स्क्रीन टर्न करके हमको दिखा सकते हैं और आप चैट में भी दिखा दीजिएगा लिख के कि आपने पूरा कर दिया और हमको कैमरा में दिखाइएगा. अगर आप टर्न नहीं कर सकते हैं स्क्रीन को, आपके मोबाइल से एक फोटो क्लिक कीजिएगा और वो आप हमको कैमरा में दिखाइएगा. So participants, can I show you the answer for this? Because I told you it's a trial round, right? Can I show you the answer for this so that you all know? Look at this fish of mine. Very good. I see Rupali Patel has made it. Rupali, have a look at this also. So you have two blue triangles which have been placed like this. Can you all do it now on the table? I'm keeping this for all of you to see and do it. The two blue triangles which are placed.
So Bhuvna, Ashwin, Anagha, Preetam have finished and they have written in the chat too.
Okay, wonderful. Yes, thank you, Preetam. I can
Also,
see that we have used all the pieces for making this fish. So with this one example, can I go to the actual competition? Okay, now let's get ready for the race. So you're going to have 3 puzzles, okay? And those who have got it will make sure you write it in the chat box and also show it to us on the camera. We are going to have Tejasvi, who's helping me today, to be the judge and tell me who's first, who's second, and who's third. And well, all of us are winners because we have tried it, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3, ready? Keep your eyes on the screen. I'm going to show you the outline of the next one. Quick. This looks like an aeroplane to me. Parents and teachers who are part of the session, you will realize that there is a lot of creativity in this. There is a lot of logic and critical thinking on whether I need to use the triangle here or do I have to go ahead to use the parallelogram here or join the 2 triangles. So it is just not for fun, but there is a lot of skills which are inbuilt while children are playing with the tangram pieces. That's why tangram is a very important part of math. And it's a lot of fun, right? It's family bonding time. You could have 2 of these sets, the father and the child or the mother and the child can play. And well, it's always nice to have our children win, right? It's not always we as parents should win. I think we take pride when our children do it better than us.
Shwin Parekh have finished and Avika has finished. Bhuvna, can you also check at the same time?
I need to get back to the, stop the screen share.
Okay.
That's the reason why I requested your help.
Shwin Parekh has got it right.
Wonderful, Shwin. I can see that.
I'm going to check Avika's also.
Yes, Shwin, you've got it. You're going to get a star. You've already sent the star to the email. Your parents will cut that star out and give it to you. Can I show you the answer for those of you who've been trying? There's nothing wrong. We've tried and maybe we didn't get the correct shape. So let's try and see the answer and see if we can make it. There you go. I told you, right? It's the parallelogram that comes ahead at the cockpit. You have the triangle. Oh, the wings are the 2 big blue triangles. Then you have the green square followed by the small red triangle. Remember the positioning. And the big yellow triangle which goes up in the form of the tail. Thank you. Thank you so much, participants. Excellent. Thank you. I think most of you have got it now and you've got the hang of it. So let me go to the last one. I told you there are 3, but I'm just going to make it 2 because I want to also take you through the next game. As you know it, in our sessions, we would like to give you as many activities and games as possible, ताकि आप घर में आपके बच्चों के साथ सेशन के बाद भी खेल सकते हैं. तो अभी जो नेक्स्ट था वो था मेरा हेलीकॉप्टर, मगर इसके बदले में मैं थोड़ा नेक्स्ट वाले में जा रही हूँ. ये है बोट. Come on, quick. Let's see who's going to get this fast. And remember, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है कि खाली एक ही पॉसिबिलिटी है. शायद आंसर्स में 2-3 ऑप्शन हो सकते हैं. I don't know. Why don't you try it out? It need not always have to be just one possible answer. So now we start here. I'm going to show you the answers, and those of you who are doing it, continue doing it. Very good. I see Lakshmi Prasanna has also got it. There. These are the 2 possibilities that I've written, but there are more possibilities available for you to try it out and be creative. So the same boat can be done in multiple ways. You can see that in one of this, I have placed a yellow triangle towards the corner, and in one I placed it somewhere towards the center between the 2 sails. And these are not the only 2 possibilities. There are many more. Can I go ahead so that I can kind of take you through the next activity also? Tejasvi?
Yes, we can.
Go ahead with the next activity?
Yes, Preetham also has got it right.
So wonderful. So now children and parents, please make sure on the mail we have sent you those stars. They are lovely stars. Some of them are smiley stars. Some of them are the cooler stars with the, they have the cool glasses there. So make sure that you cut it out and give it to your children. It's just a bit of encouragement for the children. And do play these activities as family bonding games, and we'll tell you where you can find these. That's something which we will also indicate to you. Going ahead to the next one. This is my favorite one. Okay. I have an object card. Can you see something on the left which is written as an object card here? This is an object card. The shape is something like this. I've just drawn it for you. Maybe something for you to see it here. It's something like this. Okay. Just the outline. And this object card, very important. Please make a note. If you have a paper and pencil, write it down so that you don't make any mistakes here. What are the things you need? I have, can you see on the right hand side there? I can make this, यानी कि मेरे पास ये object card है, जो मैंने अभी यहाँ दिखाया, जो काले रंग का है, उसको मुझे बनाना है. कैसे? इस चीज से कोई भी चीज, अभी हमने बोला टाइग्राम कोई भी पीस लेके आप बनाइएगा नहीं. ये वाला जो गेम और एक्टिविटी है, ये हम बना सकते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट कार्ड में 2 रेड ट्रायंगल के साथ. आप लिख दीजिएगा क्योंकि ये नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे जाएगा तो ये नहीं दिखाई देगा आपको. 2 लाल ट्रायंगल, 1 ब्लू वाला ट्रायंगल. इसके लिए हमने आपको, जब हम स्टार्ट कर रहे थे, हमने बोला आप ये कलर कीजिएगा ताकि हम रेफर कर सकते हैं. The reason we had asked you to color in a particular format so that all of us are on the same page. 2 लाल triangle, 2 red triangles, 1 blue triangle, 1 green square, and 1 purple parallelogram. जिनको याद नहीं है, ऐसे वाले शेप को हम parallelogram बोलते हैं, और ये पर्पल कलर में जो हमने कलर किया है. तो खाली इसके साथ आपके पास तो येलो ट्रायंगल होएगा, आपके पास तो और एक ब्लू ट्रायंगल होएगा, उसके साथ नहीं. मगर अभी मत बनाइएगा. वेट 1 मिनट, डोंट डू दैट. इसका गेम ऐसा है कि मेरे पास कार्ड्स है. मैंने ये सब पिक्चर्स, प्लीज लुक एट द स्क्रीन, डोंट डू द ऑब्जेक्ट कार्ड नाउ. वेट. मेरे पास ये कार्ड्स ऐसे ड्रॉ किया है मैंने ऐसे, और मैं ऐसे जो आपको सामने दिखाई दे रहा है, ऐसे ग्रिड में मैं ये कार्ड को रख रही हूँ, जो मैं देख नहीं सकती हूँ, मगर ऐसे फेस डाउन. आई एम गोइंग टू प्लेस दीज कार्ड्स व्हिच आर 16 ऑफ देम फेस डाउन इन द सेम वे. तो मैं आपको बोलूंगी, ये एक, आप मेमोरी गेम जैसे खेल सकते हैं, जो हम बाद में आपको बताएंगे कैसे खेला जाएगा। इसको हम ऐसे खेलेंगे, क्योंकि मैं खेल रही हूँ, आप, I think you are close to about, how many participants are we right now, Tejasvi?
We have about 32 participants playing.
Okay, we have about 32 of you. Since I'm playing with a larger crowd, I'm changing this to the way I can play with all of you. मैं ये कार्ड्स ऐसे नीचे मेरे टेबल पे रखूंगी, और आपको तो दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है ना उधर से, मगर आपको ये कौन सा कार्ड में ओपन करूं, आप यहाँ ये ग्रिड देख के बताएंगे। समझ में आया आप लोग को? वापस मैं रिपीट कर रही हूँ। I said I'm going to make these, turn these cards. ये कार्ड तो से है ताकि मैं टर्न करके देख सकती हूँ वो वाला कार्ड मुझे चाहिए या नहीं, क्योंकि ऑब्जेक्ट कार्ड आप लोगों ने लिख के रखा है, याद है? 2 रेड ट्रायंगल, 1 ब्लू ट्रायंगल वगैरह वगैरह। तो मैं ओपन करूंगी और शायद मेरे पास कुछ ऐसे आ सकता है कि एक येलो ट्रायंगल आएगा, तो वो येलो ट्रायंगल मुझे चाहिए, आप बताएंगे हाँ या ना। Okay, based on whether my object card in the previous slide wanted that particular color. Okay, Tejasvi, do we have an answer there?
Avika has said B2.
B2. Okay, B2 is here. What is this? It's a blue triangle. Did I need a blue triangle in my object card? Yes, thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. Okay, so which means you get a blue triangle. Put a tick mark against blue triangle and you get this card. So I'm going to place it here for you. Okay, for all of you, not only for Avika, all of you are playing. So it's a game between Bhuvana and all of you as participants. So हमारे पास एक blue triangle है जो हमको चाहिए था, हमने रखा है. Next, Tejasvi, can we have Venkat? Can you tell me which the next card could be?
D4.
D4. D4 is here. D4 is a green square. Do I need it in my object card in the previous one? Yes? Yes or no? Did I need a green square? Yes, we needed it. So you get it. So put a tick mark against that. The next one. Tejasvi, can you pick out somebody from there? Lakshmi Prasanna? Can you tell me which card I need to open? Or Tejasvi, could you call out the names of the people who are there on the screen?
Yeah. Can you call out the grid? Shwin has said C4.
C4. C4 here. Remember, it is on the other side. Here I open up. I have a red triangle. Do I need a red triangle? In my object card earlier, did I need a red triangle? Yes. This goes for you. So put a tick mark and keep your red triangle with you. Remember, you have 1 blue triangle, 1 green, 1 red. Now what's the next one? Tejasvi, who's reading out the next one?
Lakshmi Sundaram has said A1.
A1. A1. Here you go, Lakshmi. This is a purple parallelogram. Do you need a purple parallelogram, Lakshmi, and the others in my object card? Yes. Okay, so you get it. Next one now, Tejasvi.
C3. C3 is the next one.
C3. Okay, C3 here is a blue triangle. Do I need a blue triangle? Remember, you already had a blue triangle. Do I need one more? No. So you don't get this, you keep it away. Okay, one more.
A3.
A3. Okay, here. A3 goes here, and this is a red triangle. Remember, I already had 1 red triangle. Do I need 2 red triangles? Yes, so you get this, and you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards, which you need for the object card. I think you've got all the things that you wanted because you've opened up, and the one which you didn't want, I've kept it separately on your table now. Can you make that object card quickly? And quickly show us the picture. And how is the object card? Remember, the object card was like this. It's also there on the screen here. So I'm going to keep this here so that you know you need the 2 red triangles, you need the blue triangle, you need the green square, and the purple parallelogram. Okay, I'm going to give you the answer. Can I show you the answer? Did you notice it? I mean, when we elders and the little ones play, I think they seem to be willing to take risks, and I think that shows the amount of creativity and the risk-taking ability that they have at that age. Great, way to go, Shwen. Okay, yes, great. So let's go ahead and show them the answer. Of course, we already had the winners, which we announced now, and this is the answer. And this is not just one object card. So we have multiple object cards that you can actually use these tangram pieces for. And you can actually do it like a competition. So the way I play when I suggest it to parents is each one of us have the tangram pieces, and the object card is something which you open, and then you can actually play it the way we have done by keeping the cards face down, pick it out in the form of a memory game. So we've got this as beautiful 3 games that you can play with such tangram pieces. And I want you to have a look at them. These are called 5-gram. These are called Mindgram and Shagram. So these are lovely games that you can play with just, yes, Dhananjay, that's good. These are lovely games that you can actually play with just the tangram pieces that you have made. And if you can see, you have the QR code there, and you can actually click and also go into directly the link where you can see all these games. For those of you who have not been able to click it, no harm, no worry. We are going to be sharing an email with you with all the details on which particular link you need to click on, so that you are able to have access to all these games and play it with your family. And the best thing is, do click pictures when you're playing these, and maybe share your feedback and put it on social media. We have our handles, which we will just share it in the next one. Before I go to the social media handles, we were talking about, remember, a lot of creativity, critical thinking.
Bhuvna, can you repeat the last 3 games again in Hindi also for everybody?
Sure. तो जिन लोगों ने अभी ये टाइमग्राम खेला है, ये है जैसे कि मैं आपके साथ खेल रही हूँ, बहुत सारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स थे, तो हमने उसको ट्वीक किया है, तो ऐसे खेल सकते हैं। या आप 3 और गेम्स यही टाइमग्राम पीसेस के साथ खेल सकते हैं, जिनका नाम है 5-gram, Mindgram, Shagram। एंड ये सब गेम्स इतने इंटरेस्टिंग है, बस यही पीसेस के साथ, और कैसे करना है, इसका रूल्स कैसा है, ये सब हमारे वेबसाइट पे है, जिसका लिंक हम आपको कल ईमेल पे भेज सकते हैं, या जिनके पास वो स्कैन कर सकते हैं, वहां पर हमारा कोड है, आप स्कैन करके डायरेक्टली अभी भी जा सकते हैं। बहुत सारा स्किल सेट्स डेवलप करता है बच्चों में, जैसे कि लाइफ स्किल्स है, क्रिएटिविटी जो हम बोलते हैं 21st सेंचुरी स्किल्स है, क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग 21st सेंचुरी स्किल्स है, विजुअल रीजनिंग है, प्लानिंग एंड स्ट्रेटेजाइजिंग कैसे करना है, मोटर स्किल्स, ऑफ कोर्स यस, यू मूव इट अराउंड, सो यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ द फाइन मोटर स्किल्स देयर। मॉरल है, बहुत पेशेंट, एक बार ट्राई किया तो नहीं आया तो बार बार ट्राई करते हैं, तो पेशेंस डेवलप होता है। ऑनेस्टी, यानी कि मैंने कर दिया करके बोल नहीं सकते हैं, क्योंकि उनको एक्चुअली दिखाना है आपको कि मैंने ये कर दिया, सो दे वेरी ऑनेस्ट, दे डेवलप दैट पर्टिकुलर मॉरल। And sharing, for example, if you're playing it as a game, you know, and you say, okay, yes, Papa, no, don't keep it there, you keep it here. They're willing to share their particular knowledge, and maybe, you know, if you don't have a piece, they're willing to even share the piece. So you develop a lot of these skill sets in the children too. Unknowingly, while you're playing, it was just a game, but you actually develop a lot of these skill sets. And as we told you, these are the resources that you have for your worksheets. We also have what is called as apply book. तो जैसे कि हमने वो outline दिया था, जो एरोप्लेन है या बोट है, तो उस टाइप का हम आपको लिंक भेज देंगे, जो आप क्लिक करके दे सकते हैं, एंड देन आपके बच्चे के साथ आप खेल सकते हैं। एंड ऑफ कोर्स ये मेरा बैकग्राउंड है, मैं K-12 डोमेन में ऑलमोस्ट 30 साल से हूँ, बहुत सारे टीचर्स इंडिया और मिडिल ईस्ट में ट्रेन कर चुकी हूँ, और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब मैं पेरेंट्स वर्कशॉप और चिल्ड्रन वर्कशॉप कंडक्ट करती हूँ। And I'd always look forward to meeting children, parents, and of course teachers too. And ये हमारा कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स है, और ये है हमारा इंस्टाग्राम और फेसबुक का हैंडल है @mylumaworld। तो जब आप पिक्चर्स ले रहे हैं और आप सोशल मीडिया में डाल रहे हैं, या आप वीडियो ले रहे हैं, जैसे कि पापा और बच्चे खेल रहे हैं साथ में कंपटीशन के साथ, प्लीज डू पुट इट ऑन सोशल मीडिया एंड टैग अस विद @mylumaworld. So with this, I come to the end of the session.